Do you want to know how you can join Fliki.ai's affiliate program? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join Fliki.ai's affiliate program. Go ahead and open Fliki.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account, and then click Account, which you can see on the top left-hand side. After you click Account, you can see Affiliate. Click on Affiliate and click Join the program. In a while, it will take you to this page where you can sign up for Fliki's official affiliate program. Go ahead and write down your first name, last name, email address, password, and click Confirm Password. Then click I'm not a robot and then click Sign up. This way, you can see that you will register for the affiliate program of Fliki.ai. So go ahead and write all of this down. All you need to do is write down your first name, last name, email, and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it and write down your confirmed password once again. After you write down your confirmed password, click sign up, and then you will sign up for your Fliki.ai affiliate program. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.